17 we're gonna give shout out. buwan na hindi kalindahan. Nagdamdalag siya. Ay, nakalimutan ko sis. Lagi ko na lang nakakalimutan yung harang ko. Pastilan. Salamat sis. Di atay. Lagyan ko na harang. Iliyangan mo na siniinom ka. Iliyangan mo na siniinom ka. Lagyan ko na harang. Ayun na, may harang. May harang. Thank you sis. Napaalala na nakalimutan ko. Always forgotten. Hindi mo lang. May harang. Thank you sis. Kailan kayo ulit napabingo? Si Sunny. Si Sunny nanalo ako sa nakanina. Sa ngayon. Hindi ko kasi alam ganun nga ang niya ipalaro. Akala ko sis, pag nanalo ka, panalo ka na talaga. Yun pala, may ilalagay ka pa pala. Tingilin people in the house. Magdamag na. Thank you guys. O sige sis, magsasabi. Okay? Hi sis, hello. Ang dami na lang salamat sa paharang sis. Thank you sis. Ano, narinig mo na ako? Tinanggal ko na yung Bluetooth ko. Ay, ang nahiwagang ba? Gaganyanin ko na lang. Sabay sis. Ano, narinig mo na ako? Sabi ko, sige, next time. Makikulab. Salamat sis. Sa patambay mo hanggang matapos. Nag-umpisa ako at 8:14. So matapos ako siguro 10:14. Kiatay. Ayan na, nalapit na ako. Ayun ko kasi i-focus yung mukha kong lapad. Nakakahiya. Three million people in the house. Magandang shout out. Ano, narinig mo na ako sis? Hi sis Buding Channel. Salamat sa patamsa. Ading budingding, sabi ni Lady Gaon. Ito lang yan sis, ang time ko sis na makapag-live sis. Kasi pag araw, hindi ako makapag-live. Busy ako. Lalo na pag may pasok sis, wala talagang time. Kaya wala talaga. Hi Sisi Riz, magandang shout out. Salamat sa paharang Sisi. Mag-LS ka ba sis? Si Riz? Maka-live lang siguro. Maka-live na ako siguro sis Lidigan. Pagpunta nila sa Madina. 1 week sila doon yun. Kahit walang tulugan na pag-live. Magla-live. Next time usali ka sa amin kahit di ka akit. Okay sis, don't worry. Ading budingding, panalo sana ako kanina sa bingo. Una sana talaga ako kasi hindi ko alam na pag nanalo ka pala, ilagay mo sa huli yung pangalan ni Lady Jan. Grabe naman tong crocodile mo, laki ng mata. Buto. Yung bato ni Ding. Okay, sis, puntahan natin to yung binaba mong bahay. Gift wrapping for our Sisi's birthday. Birthday pala to. Anong handa mo Sisi? Ayan, panoorin na natin kahit 3 minutes. Ayan sis, nandito ako ha. Hi, Alimar TV. Okay lang. Ingat sa work. Salamat sa pagsilip. Bro, Alimar TV. Ano to sis din shoot video? Okay, sige, ingat. Ingat bro, Alimar TV. Shout out mo sa'yo. Which is din niya, OTW na ako, sis din. Ano to, games? Hindi ako marunong nito. Ano to, mga snip-snip? Ganda pa ng music mo. Chat-chat. Yan, patapusin ko to ha. Yan, salamat sa patamsak niyo dyan. Yan, sis Piding, matapos niyo. Yan, natapos ko na ha. Ayan, maraming salamat na patamsak niyo dyan. Welcome, Sisi Waves. Yan po, medyo nag-love shoutout sa 2 million people in the house. Hirap na pa dito ng bato ni Darna. Yan guys, sa 2 million people in the house, pakipuntahan naman po yung nakapin guys. Salamat guys. Yan, Makati ang ilis eh. Ay, koto na yata. Pakilablab naman guys ang nakapin guys. Thank you so much. Yan, for 3 million people in the house. Mega love shoutout. Buding ading din channel. Dano sa iyo si Sisi Waves. Pakisaklian na lang sis Buding. Salamat. Shy Love e-channel. Three million people in the house. Mega love shoutout. Grabe oh. Pag nakapalapit ako sa camera, kitang kita talaga yung eye bag ko. Ang laki. What effect yung tinuro sa akin ni Madam. Ganun din. 30 million people in the house. Mega love shoutout. Sis atay, sumbi na. Nasumbi na si Sis Lidigan. 3 million people in the house. Shout out. Bato. Sis Lidigan, dana daw sa iyo si Waves TV2. Hi Valentine, mega love shout out. Is your new video Valentine? Just one thing. I want to see this. Oh, I'm done already here. Another video Valentine. Malunok mo yan, sis. Kaya nga, ang hirap kasi pag nilagay ko sa tenga ko, hindi ako marinig, kaya ginaganito ko na lang. Parang ganyan na lang. O, diba? Yan hindi, tanggalin ko na lang yung isa. Hindi rin pala ako marinig. Baka malunok, patay na. Parang bato ni Darna. Kaya nag-isin lang. Hindi kasi. Yan, 2 million people in the house. Mega nag-shout out. Hindi ka pa tulog, sis. Ang aga mo naman nagising. 1 o'clock pa lang yata dyan. Yan, maraming salamat po sa 2 million people in the house. Mega nag-shout out. Yan guys, kung tapos na kayo nakapin, palitan natin. Okay, insomnia attack yung mahirap talaga. Siguro umiinom ka ng kape. Minsan kaya ako sis ganyan, hindi ako makatulog. Halimbawa matutulog ako 8, dati sa hindi pa ako nag-YouTube. Natutulog ako 8, tapos hindi pa rin ako makatulog hanggang alas 2. Alas 3 yun, gising ako. Tapos pagdating ng 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock, parang sabog ako. Parang umiikot-ikot yung paningin ko sa walang tulog. Hirap kaya may insomnia. Ayan, 3 million people in the house. Salamat guys. Kasi magkape ka na sis. Ako naman sis, pag hindi makatulog, may iniisip. Ganun yun. Ako kasi sis, pag uminom ako ng kape, ang lakas ng kabog ng dibdib ko, para bang kinakabahan ako. Kaya hindi ako nagkakape ng poro, nilalagyan ko ng coffee mate. Ayan guys, palablag sa ng kape. Thank you. Thank you guys. Nagbindi ng boses. Trini. Ano to? Palpitate. Ano to sis? Kaya nakapag-live ako ngayon. Maaga na tulog yung alaga ko. 7:45. Naglinis muna ako ng CR tapos kulinis yun, nag-live ako. Three million people in the house. Salamat sa patambay din guys ha. Dalawahin ko kaya. Para pag nalunok, dalawa rin. Ayan. Wait lang guys, buksan muna natin yung aircon ni Ilongga kasi mainit. Ang isa ko, lubat na. Lubat na siya guys. Pagkatapos mag-live, ito yung ilalagay ko sa aking tuhod. Ewan ko ba kung bakit masakit ang aking tuhod. Pagkatapos ko mag-live mamaya, ito yung ilalagay ko. Tapos ito naman yun sa likod ko. Puro natapal yung ano ko tuhod. Lubat na yung isa ko ng kasi. Nilalagay mo sa tubig. Kulay puti. Lamig. Parang yellow. 3 million people in the house. Shout out to sa inyo. Salamat sa pag-visit sa bahay ko. Ilongga. Ang lamig na ng tubig. Yung amo ko. Pinatulog ang dalawang bata. Tapos lumipat ko sila sa kabilang kwarto. Alam niyo na yun guys kung ano na yun. Bukas, handaan mo yung machine. At handaan mo yung gagawin mo ni Ilongga. Tanggal yung sheet na malakang bukas. 3 million people in the house. Shout out guys. Pag lumabas yung amat na babae, tapos nag-show kayo, naglaro ko sila ng basketball. Ay, siya na. Shout out. Hindi ko siya lahat. Yung asawa, may pumasok na sa kwarto. Bukas, tanggal, delete sheet naman sila Ilongga. Ganun lang ang pandesal.
ayusin ko muna. Yan, narinig na ako kahit walang mic. Nalubat na. Nalubat na ang bato ni Darna. Sabihin mo lang sis kung narinig mo na sis ha. Kasi lubat na yung bato. Ayun, nalubat ka rin. Ayun, nalubat ka rin. No signal na. No signal na. Okay sis, thank you for coming. Pag wala ko ng signal, okay lang sis. Wala rin signal yung Bluetooth. Yan guys, 2 million people in the house. Shout out guys. Wala nang mic si host, nalubat na. Kailangan na naman i-charge ni host ang kanyang mic. 76 pa naman to ah. Bakit ayaw mag-connect? Baliw talaga itong ano mic. Yan. 2 million people in the house. May mag-live shoutout. Si Shy, tinatanong ni si Silvers, yan ba daw yung bahay mo? Sis, ano, narinig mo ako sis? Okay na ba yung mic? $76 pa naman. Bakit lowbat na? Bakit lowbat na siya? Nauna pa siya lowbat sa cellphone ko. Baka yung sa'yo sis kasi hindi ko rin alam sis. Try ko ulit ito. Pag hindi pa mamaya gumana to, itapon ko na to sa basurahan. Oh, yeah, may nag-email sa akin. Sana grasya na to. Connected din. Dali ko dito. Dali lang talaga itong aking sis. Narinig mo na sis. May nag-email sa akin. Buksan ko nga. Uy? Oh, hindi. Akala ko grasya na.
Yan, mega mega love shout out sa 2 million people in the house. Bilis ng oras. Pati yung... Oh, salamat, Sisi. Okay na, sira ulo tong aking bato eh. 76 pa naman siya. Bakit? Nawawala-wala yung ano niya. Power. Two million people in the house. Shout out, guys. Okay, Sisi. Kung inaanto ka na, sige, okay lang. Thank you, sis, sa pagpunta, sis. Maraming salamat. Pahinga ka na dyan, sis. Good night. God bless you. Kabayo ni Ding. Ako kabayo ni Ding. Malapit naman ako mag-isang oras pero WH. Yan, 2 million people in the house. Shout out, guys. Salamat sa inyong pagpunta. Yung aking kaibigan ng mga Indonesian, hindi na pumunta ah. Kagabi pa live ko, nandyan sila. Siguro busy. Ayan, maraming salamat sa palakol na like dyan. Thank you so much, guys. Two million people. Thank you so much. Salamat sis sa pa-heart-heart yan sis. Thank you. Good night sis. Tinamaan ka na, sige, good night. Salamat guys sa 1 million people in the house. Mega mega love shout out. Salamat sa pag-share Sisi. Sisi Way, salamat sa pag-share. Thank you so much. 9 o'clock. Ano ba nangyari sa LS ni Topper? Nag-LS din ba si Topper? Salamat po sa 2 million people in the house.
Yan, nag-ilaw-ilaw na naman yung akong cellphone. Kanina ka pala. Nabaliw na kung si, ano ko. Nag-ipat-ipat naman siya. Not connected na naman ako.
Connected naman siya. Kailangan na palang hilot-hilutin. Hindi ako nakapunta sa LS niya kanina. Busy ako sis eh. Kasi minsan nag-LS siya madaling araw. Kami dito pag madaling araw tulog na. Okay sis, good night din sa'yo sis. Good night. Sweet dreams. Two million people. Salamat. Sis Shai, salamat sa patambay mo ha. Thank you so much sis. Oh, salamat sis. Salamat sa patambay mo sis. Salamat. 1 hour na lang naman ako sis eh, matatapos na rin ako. 1 oras na lang din. Kasi pag hindi ako maka-live sis, parang hindi ako komportable. Parang pakiramdam ko, parang hindi kumpleto ang whiting may ilongga pag walang upload. 2 million. Salamat guys sa 2 million dyan. Salamat si Shai. Si Shai, nag-PM ako sa'yo, open mo. Messenger mo. Thank you, sis, sa 2 million people in the house dyan. Shout out sa inyo. Mali-mali na yung aking spelling ng pag-message. Salamat, sis Jane, sa paharang mo dyan. Yung sis ko naging sus na. 3 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Hi, Buding Ding. Buding Buding. Shout out sa'yo. Three million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Sisi Lidigan. Sabi ni Sis Jane Pam. Pamela 1, ikalawang katawan. Pamela 2, kilikili 2. Ilagay ko kaya yan na rin doon sa ano ko, sa cellphone. Ang ganda eh. Sige, Sis Jane, puntahan natin to. Hello, Aman Habibi. Mega love shout out. How are you, my friend? Thank you for coming. Puntahan ko to, Sis Jane, ha, yung binaba mo. Yan, Sis Jane. Tapos na ako dito. Pinuntahan ko na yung bahay mo. Nakatamsak na ako, sis. Sis Buding, sabi ni Sis Jane, mega love shout out. Nabubulol ako ah. Aman Habibi. Thank you for coming, my friend. How are you? Inshallah. Oh, I'm fine, my dear. Thank you for coming. Yan, 5 million people in the house. Shout out sa inyo, guys. Pakipuntahan na lang yung guys yung nakapin, guys. Palablab na lang si Sis Jane Pam Vlogs. Pakilabing-labing na rin. You have new video, my dear Aman Habibi. Can you drop your link? Drop your link, my friend. Oo, tapos na sis. Maaga natulog yung mga bruhilda. Kaya nakapag-live ako. Oh, thank you so much, Aman. Wow, this is too much monkey, yeah? Very nice. Yung that's good. Oh, it's there. Yeah, I'm done watching my friend Aman Habibi. This is short video. I'm done watching. Okay? Aman Habibi, Pamela Jane is done already. Can you connect to Pamela Jane? Thank you so much, my friend Aman Habibi. Yan, shout out po sa 2 million, 5 million people in the house. Mali-mali na naman ako. Aman Habibi, are you still there? Can you connect to Pamela Jane? Thank you so much. Sis Jane, done na daw sa'yo si Aman Habibi. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Thank you, thank you. Three million people in the house. Shout out po. Thank you so much guys sa pagpunta ninyo. Hi Aman channel and hello also. How are you? Thank you for coming, my friend. Aman, drop your link. You have new video or short video. Three million people in the house. Mega live shout out. Thank you so much sa palike. Okay. I will go to your channel, Aman channel. Wait. Wow, I like this. This is very nice color. It's colorful, huh? I'm here now to your channel, okay? Aman. This is nice place, Aman, huh? You're eating food in the restaurant. Yeah, thank you so much, guys, sa thumbs up. I'm here now, my friend. I'm watching. Thank you so much for coming, my friend. Aman Al-Muqtadin. Thank you so much. Thank you. I need to finish this. This is almost done, okay? I'm still watching. Thank you so much, my friend. Where is your food? 4 million people in the house, shout out. Yeah, it's done already, my friend. Okay? Done watching, friend. Salamat po sa 4 million people in the house dyan. Mega mega love shout out. Natural ringstone bato. Asli, yes. It's nice. I'm here, my friend. Thank you so much, Aman Aman Habibi. Thank you for coming your groove. Thank you so much. It's very nice color. It's real, my friend. This is real. Yeah, I'm done watching, my friend. I'm here, my friend. The chicken. I'm here, my friend. The chicken is eating food. The chicken is eating. What is this? It looks like a fruit. And my friend, it's almost done. Okay, it's almost done watching. Thank you so much for your coming. Still the I'm done watching, my friend. Thank you so much to 6 million people in the house. Mega mega love shout out. Ahman Group coming. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you so much sa palike. This is 1 month ago. 2 months. 6 million people in the house. Mega mega love shout out. I'm here, my friend, again. Lanjut Mimandu Malam. I'm here. Okay? Take care, my friend. Take care. Be careful. Oh, the road is very scary, huh? It's very scary. I'm still watching, my friend. It's almost done, my friend. I'm done watching, my friend. Thank you so much, guys. The 6 million people in the house. Mega, mega love shout out. Thank you, guys. 6 million people in the house. Shout out. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Aman. Okay, thank you, thank you. Salamat, guys, sa patamsak niyo. My ads is too much long. Thank you, guys. Okay, thank you so much. I can't stop to say thank you to all of you guys. I will go to your channel, Aman Aman. I will use my another account, okay? Wait, I will go there. I'm coming, my friend, to your channel. I will use my another account. This one, the one with my picture. So you know it's me. This one. Yes, and I subscribe already. 6 million people. Thank you guys. Thank you. Ahmad Habibi. This is so much cute cat 1 hour ago. Wow. It's very cute. See, I'm here. See? I'm, I'm still watching my phone. Very cute cat. Yeah, it's done already. Thank you, Aman Habibi. Thank you very much. On my channel. Thank you so much. This is your friend. Congratulations, staff Samsung Tanjung Pinang. I'm here now, friend. Okay. The view it look like in the Philippines. Okay, I'm still watching my friend. Almost done. Oh, this is Samsung. It's done now, my friend. Tap Samsung. 6 million. Thank you so much, mga lalabs. Thank you so much, my friend, for staying with me. Thank you. 7 million people in the house. Mega love shout out. Thank you for coming, guys. Ayan, nainitan na si host. Magtatali mo na ng buhok si host. Guys, mainit. Thank you so much, my friend. Thank you. Ayan, para medyo malapit-lapit. Magsasandal ako. Seven million people. Thank you, guys. Sa tambay-tambay ninyo. Thank you so much. Thank you all, guys. Thank you to all my friends. Thank you, thank you. 8 million people in the house. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Ayan, 8 million people. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much sa aking mga kaibigan dyan sa Patambay. 9 million people. Thank you. Aman Group Dua, thank you so much, my friend, for coming. Thank you, my friend. You're not busy, my friend. How's you doing now? Yan, 9 million na po tayo. Thank you so much. Aman Group Dua. Group coming, friend. Thank you. Okay. You are relaxing now. That's good, my friend. Sometimes you need to relax if you're tired, right? Don't do your work if you're tired because sometimes it's too bad, okay? Be careful, my friend. Always take care. Yeah, I know, my friend. You have too many channel. I know. Thank you so much for your channel because you are there to support. Thank you so much. Me, I have only one channel, my friend, because I don't know how to make more channel. That's why I make only one. 9 million. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you so much, my friend. Nine million. Thank you guys. Ayan, nakapit ang loob ni host. Thank you, my friend. Aman Group Satu. Group coming support. Thank you so much. Thank you, my dear friend. 13 million na patanta like. Thank you so much. 10 million people in my house. Thank you so much to support me. Thank you. You're too much channel, my friend, huh? Maybe you have more mobile also, right? Because you have only in one mobile that you put more channel. Ahman, Group Satu, Group coming, support, thank you. Ayan po, 10 million in my house na, thank you so much. What time there now, friend? Here is 9:42. A real channel is Aman Group Satu? Yes, I know. Organic, organic channel. It's very nice. Thank you, thank you. Before maybe you are busy, that's why, right? Because last time I did my Indonesia time now is 1:43 a.m. Oh, until now you're not sleeping, huh? Maybe Indonesia is very nice, Same in the Philippines. View all is very nice. You know, my friend, I have uh Filipino face also. It look like of Indonesia, right? Here is 9:43 p.m. 10 million. Alex Planta Balenka. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. You have a moderator already. Drop your link, my friend. Let me drop your link. You have. Oh, your LS is done already. Okay. Planta Balenka. I'm here now to your channel, okay? Wow, it's so cute. I'm here. Hello also, my friend. Thank you for coming. It's very nice. Yes, I'm done watching, my friend. Alex, thank you for coming. Thank you so much, my dear friend. Hello also, Alex Planta. You're welcome, my friend. My pleasure. I will go also to your another short video, okay? Wow, it's very nice. Oh my gosh. See, it's very cute. The coconut. There's someone inside. Inside. Yes, I'm done watching, my friend. I will go again to your another short video, okay? Now I'm here again to your another short video. I'm done already to your three short video. This is four. Yes, I'm done again, my friend. Thank you so much. 10 million people in my house. Thank you. Aman group, are you ready to my group coming on? Yes, of course, I'm ready, my friend. Hello, Alex. Aman said. My friend Aman, can you connect to Alex Planta? Thank you so much. Vlog Indo para to trabalho. Yes. I'm here now, my friend, to your channel, okay? I need to watch also 3 minutes. Where you going, my friend? Why you driving? See? Oh no, the road is scary, huh? See, the road is scary, my friend. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's some fire. Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, my friend, I'm coming, okay? I will see if you have a jacket at channel, okay? Let's wait. Okay, I will give you jacket, my friend. Yes, you have already, my friend, jacket. Yes, you have already jacket. My friend, you have already jacket. Aman. Please, guys, connect each other. Aman group satu. You have already jacket. I put already jacket, my friend. See, my friend, you have already jacket down. I can't remove now. You're welcome, my friend. You're welcome, my friend. Aman group. Thank you so much, guys. The 10 million in my house. Yes, you have already jacket. See, my friend, you have already jacket, right? Thank you for staying with me. Thank you so much. Please connect each other, guys. Connect each other. Thank you. Um, done, Alex, friend this channel. Alex Salanta, Aman group is done already. Aman, my friend. Alex said thank you. Thank you for staying with me, guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all, guys. Thank you. My friend Alex, I subscribe you already, okay? Thank you so much for coming. I subscribed you already, my friend Alex. Thank you. 8 million people. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Aman-aman group dua. Alex is done already. Thank you, my friend. Alex Planta, Aman done. Thank you, my friend Alex. Thank you for coming. Alex Planta, you have LS already? It's all done. Oh, you have already streamed. So, if you want to do your LS, I will go also, okay? Okay, I'm searching this on your live stream. Too much, huh? Thank you, my friend Alex. 10 million people in my house. Thank you so much, guys. Bless you all, guys. Thank you. My friend Alex, I connect tricky video short. Thank you all, guys. Thank you so much, Alex Palanta. Thank you. Aman Aman Group, Empat Kami Group from. Oh, so thank you, my friend. And then subscribe this already channel, my friend. Thank you so much. It's 2 months ago. Thank you, my friend. Oh, this is nice view. This is beach, my friend. See? Yes, I'm done watching, my friend. Done, friend Alex. This channel. Hi, Shy Love. Channel. Shout out. Nandyan ka pa pala, sis. Patapos na rin ako, sis. Thank you to all my friends. Thank you for coming, guys. Alex sent a like, no chat. Of course, I'm chatting already, my friend. Thank you so much to all my friends. Si Shy Danadase si Alex Palanta. Thank you, my friend Alex. Sis Baby Gun, hello daw sabi ni Aman. Thank you, my friend Alex. Friend Lady Jan, sabi ni Ahman Aman Group sa 2. 'Yan guys, 10:14, mag-e-end na si host. Nakadalawang oras na si host. 11 million people in the house. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you also, my friend. Thank you also. Nice meeting you, my new friend Alex Palanta. Nice to see you. I forgot where is my mobile. Yan, 11 million po. Thank you so much. Aman Aman Group, thank you, my friend. Aman Aman Group sa 2, thank you. Vamos que vamos. What is the meaning this, my friend? I don't understand. I'm very sorry. Aman Aman Group and Pat, thank you, my dear. Because until now you're still Aman Habibi channel. Thank you. Thank you to all my friends. Ahman TV, thank you. Aman Habibi, thank you. Thank you, my friend. Alex Kalanta, thank you, my friend. Guys, I have 4 minutes left. My time is over now. So I want to say thank you to all my new friends. Thank you for coming. Alex Planta, thank you for coming also. My friend Ahman channel, Ahman Habibi, Ahman TV channel, thank you so much. Ahman Group Empath, thank you also. Ahman Group Dua, thank you. Ahman Satu Group, thank you so much. Lady Gun, thank you so much. Shy Love, thank you so much. Thank you guys. And also thank you to Buding channel, Aman Al Muqtadin channel, thank you my friend. Valentine channel, thank you so much. Fish Jane Farm, thank you. Thank you all guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much my friend. Thank you. I have 3 minutes left. Thank you again. Thank you. Aman Group Tega, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my friend. I have 2 minutes left, okay? Thank you, my friend. I have 1 minute left. My time is over now, my friend. Ahman Group Tiga, thank you so much. Thank you so much to all my friends. Thank you, my friend. So my time is over now. I want to sleep now because tomorrow I need to wake up very early. I will wake up 5 o'clock. Okay, I'm very sleepy now. See. Thank you all my friends. Thank you so much. Thank you all guys. Bye. See you again my friend Alex. Thank you. Thank you Alex. Thank you. Bye. See you again Alex. Thank you.